You guys did it. Thank you so much. 2K. Fucking like this video or don't like this video. Subscribe or don't subscribe. But at the very least, tell me how much you hate it or love it in the comments. I love you all so much. Yes. Look at that. Look at that fucfucking ass green color, son and daughter. Let me see if I can at least. Oh yeah, dude. We like that thing. Found this in the Swiss Alps last week. No, I did not. That was a lie. Dude, like, I love this, like, whatever, organic growth, all this shit on it. It's just cool. Looks gnarly. Always finding these shapes. Haven't broken it down that way yet. I was just plucking for color that day. That's not racist. I'm just saying what I'm saying. What kind of effed up green is this? You can see the little, is that chalcedony in there? Or is it quartz? Quartzite. Quartzite's 2020, dog. Alright. I'm gonna get fired by myself. More green biddie. That's just the end, dude. Thank God. Look at that joint. That joint. Look nice, man. Those are some sick what the fuck? Like, I can't even get that shit anymore. If I, well, I could, but I'm not going to. What's that jaunt? What's that jaunt? Don't know. But it is a bizarre looking biddie, is it not? Dude, you guys send me a timestamp of like ones you like and shit, and I swear to God, dude, you can ask Sarah Shore, ask Dorian, Dorian Payne, shit, sorry Dorian, I'm butchering your last name, buddy. Dude, like, they claim their biddies, and damn, dude, I'm sorry, I'm blanking on the other names. Look at that little rust belt, that little iron belt that goes through there. That's got to be what that is, right? It's oxidized. It looks like. Look at this little pyramid, son.